Hello guys, welcome back to Competition World. Today we are going to see about a quiz competition conducted by My Government Quiz, mygovernmentquiz.in. My Government is a famous portal which conduct quizzes. It almost there are like 4 to 8 quizzes that are always live throughout the year on My Government, and one of the quizzes Sardar Unity Trinity Quiz. This three quiz actually. These are the languages in which the quiz is available. You can choose your preferable language. For me, I choose English. And let us see about the quiz and how to participate in the quiz. So, about the quiz, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, known as the Iron Man of India, led to peaceful integration of the princely Indian states into the Indian Union and the political unification of India. So, a nationwide quiz, Sardar Unity Trinity Quiz, is being hosted on MyGov platform to celebrate the life, ideals, and accomplishments of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The aim of the quiz is to introduce the youth and citizens of India to the social values, ideologies, ethics, and morals associated with the Sardar Patel while highlighting the achievements and vision of the Government of India. The quiz is available in multiple regional languages, including English and Hindi. As I told, the quiz will be containing 10 questions and the duration is 200 seconds. As I said, Sardar Unity Samrat, it is divided into three quizzes called Samarth Bharat and Samarit Bharat, Swabhimani Bharat. So the first quiz, Samarth Bharat, is actually closed, and no worries. Actually, the current quiz is actually open and it is divided into three modules, as you said. The current quiz is called Samrit Bharat, and it is basically based on Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's contributions and the work he has done for upliftment and accomplishments that he had made, his ideals and his life. If you read about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's life and ideals, you can easily crack this quiz. And the gratifications, I mean, the prizes are simple. So the top performer in the online quiz mode, for every mode, you will be the top performer will be receiving 5 lakh rupees. And the second best performer will be receiving 3 lakhs, and the third performer will be receiving 2 lakhs. The next 100 best performers will be awarded consolation prizes and also 2000 rupees each. So the one, two, three will be receiving 5, 3, and 2 lakhs, and the next 100 participants will be receiving rupees 2000, which is amazing because if you get to the top 100, you can also receive a certificate as well as 2000 rupees cash prize. So the deadlines are simple. It is from 1st December 2023 to 31st December 2023. So this is the deadline. And the next quiz will be starting from January 24 and uh, till 31st January. So I will put a video on that. So one or three winners from each of the above quiz modules across the country will be selected on a model. So from each of the mode, one or three winners will be selected, which means we'll have a total of nearly 300 or more than 300 winners actually, which is amazingly amazing. And this is completely online, and you can completely attend it if anywhere, anytime. No need of any protraction or something like that. You don't need to on any video or something like that. It is easy. I will show you the steps on how to play the quiz. So as you can see here, if you're ready to play the quiz, click play quiz. It will turn you. If you have not logged into mygovernment.quiz, click here. You can press login and come back to this page. Or if you can directly log in by clicking the play quiz. So guys, as you have seen, I have logged in using my Gmail ID, and now I am here in the competition page. Now, when I give start quiz, the quiz will be starting the second I give the button start quiz. So, this is the guidelines. These are same guidelines as they said, these are the same guidelines, nothing different or nothing unique. As I earlier said, you have to select the language. You have selected English, then the quiz will be in English. You can also select Tamil, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, your dialect languages also. There are many languages. So, it will be 200 seconds and uh, everything is pretty much same. Once submitted, an entry cannot be withdrawn. So you can only attend this quiz only once. Not you cannot attend it in multiple multiple entries is not accepted. As well as it is randomly picked question paper and through an automated process. And the quiz will start as soon as participant click start button. Uh, and it is pretty much same. So this is the only thing you can attend this only once. When I click start quiz, the quiz will start and it will run for 200 seconds. 10 questions will be there, and for each question, if you will answer, it will be in some color. You can skip the questions also, and you can answer the questions later. but you have to complete all the questions within the stipulated time. If you have any doubts regarding this quiz competition, you can ask me, guys. To the channel regarding any other competition, scholarship, and many other notifications to reach you, and press the bell icon for every notifications so that whenever I post a video, you will be getting reached. Uh, Thank you, friends. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.